about how you need to write a letter. We talk about text evidence to make your writing better. We talk about the troubles you've been having with persuasion, about the claims and the reasons and your summarization. You shall not tell as you wait for the bell. We talk about the theme until it shows up in your dreams. The dialogue you choose and the similes you use. And we all know we're gonna talk about the meme. You know learning about this makes our day. Before this DCA, I need to write about me, need to write about I, need to write about number one. Oh my, me, my, what I think, what I like, what I know, what I want, what I see. I like writing about you usually. But occasionally, I want to write about me.